Actually, it's very cold. It's very the weather is so shitty outside. We're really having severe weather here, and that means you can't go out, you can't do as much. You, like even the visibility is just so low, and it means we have no video today. I can't go out and do anything, but that doesn't block you from subscribing to my channel. When everything is okay, we'll go out and make some videos. Let me show you how the other looks like. It's not really good. Look at that. Not so good. Not so good outside. Just so shitty. Consider subscribing to this channel for upcoming videos. I do believe next week we'll have a video. Although the weather has been predicted that it's going to be shitty still for the next couple of weeks, but we'll see what happens. We'll improvise something. Alright. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, consider doing that and also share. If you like this little short video, give us a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.